Here we will write a Python program to convert uppercase character to lowercase character without using function. So in comment line we will write first. First we will accept the string from the user. So st equal to input, enter string to convert, and we will define one variable out which is initialized with null. Then we will use for loop. So for c in st, we will check whether the entered character is in uppercase or not. So if c not in, we will give here uppercase characters. Then we will add out equal to out plus c. That is, if the character is in lowercase, we will add it as it is. Then we will find integer value for the character. For this we will use ord function. So k equal to ord c. The difference between ASCII value of uppercase character and lowercase character is 32. So we will add l equal to k plus 32 and we will concatenate this to out. So out equal to out plus, here we will use chr function, chr of l, and outside the for loop we will print character in lowercase as out, and we will execute this. I will give the characters. It will print uppercase characters to lowercase, integer values it will print as it is, and it will print lowercase character also in lowercase. That is, it will convert all characters to lowercase.